Hi guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Here we are at Hanley Park. It's absolutely beautiful. Cheshire's answer to Pandora over there. It's absolutely beautiful. But today we're going to see what's here because we've never been. And I thought, well, just something to do. You'll have to bear with me because I have really bad skin today. Yeah. So I think I need to get some more stuff from my face. So yeah. So I hope you like it here. But don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment and hit that notification bell.
Going for a walk. Say hello.
Hi! Alright, now you go say hello to your YouTube friends.
Say hello.
Yeah! Oh, down over the bridge.
Quite wobbly though. Nice, isn't it?
Oh, is that the bridge?
No, that's the bridge we go over and drive over it. Weird. Yeah, it's all sorts of stuff here. Not sure what. Well, what's what?
Go down there.
Try down there if you want, yeah? You have to be careful though and hold the kids.
You
Should be near the water.
Yeah, don't worry, we're not going in there, don't you worry.
Oh, it's very windy though. Shivering. Oh, look at the duckies.
Oh, there's another one.
Where?
A little baby one.
I can't. Oh yeah, I didn't even see that. Oh, there's loads coming now, look.
Ooh, what's that one? Here's a ducky. Oh.
Can't really tell what it says on the camera, no, but it says, but nothing matters except the sound of your voice. And then Kit decides to walk in the way. Very motivational speech. Can't really tell on the camera, but yeah, and then we've got what looks like another lake, I guess. Got loads more duckies and that over there. Some waterfalls over there, which we'll go to in a minute. You got stuck? Oh, there you go, you got out. Oh right, she threw something instead. What?
That is gorgeous.
It is really nice, isn't it? Nice little waterfall thing. Got a little dock thing there as well. Really nice.
Can you see the waterfall outside on Logan?
Can you see it?
I can't find it out.
Wonder what that, oh yeah, to get down there. I was gonna say, I wonder what that fence bit there's for, but it's not a gateway to go down. Obviously for the maintenance people, isn't it? But it reminds me of something off of Avatar.
Yeah.
Like with that tree over there. This angle as well. Some more of the little waterfalls.
I can see Logie Bear. Where's my Logie Bear? Where's my Logie Bear? Uh-oh, where's Alana gone? Hello! What are you throwing at me? Cheeky. Logan.
Wow! What was that?
And say hello. Well, this was our small trip to Hanley Park. They've got loads of work going on, so we couldn't see much today. But we had some fun, didn't we? But don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment and hit that notification bell. Thank you, bye.